In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly save a new document in Word, ensuring your hard work is never lost and is easily accessible whenever you need it. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First and foremost, after you've poured your thoughts into the document and you're ready to save, you'll want to start by moving your cursor to the top left corner of your screen and clicking on File. This action will open up a sidebar filled with various options for you to explore. From here, the magic happens when you select Save As. This selection is crucial as it allows you to decide how and where your document will be stored, giving you peace of mind and flexibility. Once you've clicked Save As, you'll see a new window appear. This is where you get to choose the destination for your document. You have several options here, each suited for different needs. If you're someone who values having their documents readily available from any device, OneDrive is your go-to choice. It saves your file to the cloud, making it accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. If you typically work from a single computer and prefer keeping things stored there, selecting this PC might be the more straightforward option for you. Alternatively, if you want to deep dive into the specific folders and organize your file in a detailed manner, click on Browse. Here, you have the freedom to navigate to any folder you've created on your device, allowing for a more structured organization system. Now, with the location selected, it's time to give your document a proper name. As you type the name in the file name field, choose something indicative of your document's content for easy recognition later on. Having a well-named file makes searching for it later much simpler. Next, let's focus on selecting the right file format. The standard format you'll typically want to choose is the Word document, noted with the extension .docx. This is the most compatible format, ensuring you can open and edit your document in Word with full functionality. After you've set the destination, file name, and format, the final move is to hit that Save button. Doing so will lock in your choices and safely store your document in the designated spot. By following these steps, you ensure that your work is neatly tucked away, just a few clicks from being easily retrieved and continued at any time. Whether you're saving it in the cloud for flexibility or locally for regular use, mastering this simple procedure is an essential skill in digital document management. I hope this guide has clarified the process for you. Keep practicing, and soon it will become second nature. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time.